she's the fun one in the snow. She loves it. Holy cow. Go get it, Frankie.
Yeah, shut that gate behind you.
I'm right here. Oh, she didn't wait.
On your way?
No. That is a 5-foot snowdrift. At least 5 foot. Where'd she go?
Behind the thing. There's no way to go up here. Pull it behind you? Pull it behind you? Go up next to the house if you want. Okay. Go potty.
Frankie, go potty. She probably doesn't have to go.
Oh, yes, she does. Every morning.
Can you believe how deep that is? I'm waiting for her to jump into the snow. My ears are freezing.
You can go in. I'm gonna take her over this little snow hump down here.
Okay, go ahead. I want to. She's like, forget you, Dad. Are you crazy? Go get Daddy. Frankie, go get Dad. Go get Dad.
That's so deep back there.
Right. Snowface. Hey, baby, go get Daddy. Go on, go get Dad.
Shovel back here. Shovel another path here because it ain't bad.
Frankie, go get Dad. Go get Daddy.
Come on.